National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Salem, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, and Palmyra. This includes following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 349 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 29 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 57. Turn around, don't drown when in cut through flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.